Hi, I'm Shannon Schmitz, and this is the Austin Street Beat. Today, I'd like to take you to a socialite and golf lover's paradise, the Barton Creek neighborhood. Barton Creek is located about 15 minutes from downtown Austin, just south of Bee Caves Road and to the west of Capital of Texas Highway. There are 15 distinctively different subdivisions in the area, including the estates of Barton Creek, Calera, Escala, Governor's Hill, North Rim, the foothills of Barton Creek, the Ridge, the Fairways, Watersmark, and the Woods. Located within the neighborhood is St. Gabriel's, an independent Catholic school offering education for elementary and middle school grades, as well as St. Michael's Catholic High School. The crown jewel of the area is the Barton Creek Resort and Spa that resides on 4,000 secluded acres of rolling hills. There you'll find 3 18-hole golf courses designed by Austin native Ben Crenshaw and Tom Fazio, a premier golf architect, making Barton Creek a must-go for golf junkies. Area homes range from $500,000 to over $4 million and often come with a Barton Creek social membership with access to the resort's fitness center and spa, as well as social activities for everyone from young to old. Fantastic golf courses, incredible tennis facilities, lots of social events, and a club that offers as much pampering as you desire. The Barton Creek neighborhood appeals to those who enjoy the finer things in life. Thank you for joining me today. Please call me if you have any questions about Barton Creek or any other Austin community. For Austin Street Beat, brought to you by the Shannon Schmitz Group and Supreme Lending Mortgage Company, this is Shannon Schmitz.